Lego Dimensions unboxing. Actually, it's my first one, so it might not be as great as the other ones might be, but yeah. Okay, so we got B.A. Baracus and this B.A. van, and we can tilt it over to see all the things the B.A. van can be. Well, first of all, it can be the B.A. van, it can be the Force Smasher, and it can be the Pain Plane. Okay, so let's open this thing up. Yeah. Oh yeah, it also comes with an Adventure World and a Battle Arena. Okay, so let's open this thing up. Yeah, it's kind of hard to open without scissors and stuff. So, okay. First of all, we got the B.A. van and other things that can be in this box. And, I think the head's also in that box. And we got the plates they can be. Let's open this up. Okay, so you see all of them? Okay, so now we just gotta grab this, his legs, put them right like that. And now we need to open this bag up to get his head out and stuff. Cause yeah, I don't think we can do this without his head. Okay, so we got the head, as you can see right there, little head. And we got the legs. Snap them together like that. Then put this like this. Just push it on the plate. Now we need the hair. Okay, so the hair with the head. And he carries a wrench in his hand. Okay, see you back in a few minutes because I gotta build this van. Hey guys, so I'm back and yeah, so I finished B.A. Baracus van, and yeah, so we got full 360 leak of B.A. Baracus. Pretty cool. Yeah, and like if you want to see his tag, pretty cool. So yeah, put this back on him. And if you can notice that these ones are yellow, and because they're year 2, I think all year 2 ones are yellow, and all year 1s are blue. So yeah, just A van, pretty neat. See, like pretty cool, and yeah. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day.